When it comes to luck, you make your own. Every successful entrepreneur has one thing in common. They stopped waiting for the perfect opportunity and started creating it. Luck isn't about being in the right place at the right time. It's about showing up consistently, learning new skills, taking action when others hesitate, and refusing to quit when challenges appear. The truth is, the people who seem the luckiest are usually the ones who put themselves in position to win. They make the calls, they build the relationships, they embrace rejection because they know every no gets them closer to the next yes. They understand that success isn't found by chance, it's earned through persistence, discipline, and a willingness to keep moving forward. Imagine building a business where every customer you help has the potential to create long-term recurring income. Instead of convincing people to spend more money, you're helping them reduce an expense they already have by shopping competitive electricity and natural gas rates, identifying billing errors that could lead to refunds, and delivering real value to families and businesses across the country. That's not luck, that's creating opportunity. At TruPowur, you're not just selling a product, you're building an asset. You're creating a business that can continue generating compounding residual income month after month and year after year, while making a meaningful difference in people's lives. The future belongs to those who decide to take ownership of it. So stop waiting for your lucky break, because the biggest opportunity of your life may be the one you choose to pursue today. So, if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowurCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.